All right, what's up? It's been a minute since we've done this, huh? Been in a bit of a funk lately. Turn so the sun is, there we go. Been in a little bit of a funk lately, so haven't been able to ride. Can't ride my motorcycles because they're both down. So I'll explain. Let's get the old KLR up on the lift and I'll explain everything to you. Man, I tell you what, doing these little montages that I just did, they're getting pretty hard. It's a lot of work. Get that thing up, this thing back in here. Oh boy. All right. For the DRZ, the front sprocket nut, which is right here, normally goes on like so. Tighten it up, and when you go to tighten it, you know, it kind of just keeps tightening and doesn't like tighten up properly. So this nut is stripped out, so I'm gonna have to find another one of those. But when this thing comes off and this sprocket comes forward, it dumps oil all over the place. So I thought it was just a seal that was leaking, so I bought a new seal, put the seal in there, and I went to put this on, and she just kept spinning. So I'm gonna order a new one of these nuts. Hopefully the spline or the threads on the shaft are fine. We'll see what happens. And parts, here we go. Brand new oil, full synthetic oil filter, gasket for the primary cover or clutch cover, whichever one it is. And then the whole new water pump rebuild kit. All the seals for everything for the water pump, and get her back together and we should be good to go. So I'm gonna switch over to the GoPro. Oh, if this focus would work. Come on, autofocus, focus. There we go. So I'll switch over to the GoPro, or I'll just use this camera. I'll do a time lapse of everything of it going back together, or coming apart and then going back together. Yeah. Turn down this music. Show you where we're at. That light is super bright. Too much light. Ah, a little better. Alright, so I got everything off. Right here. Okay. So, this is the new clutch basket I put in. This is the water pump shaft, which was this seal right here that was leaking. I went ahead and replaced the seal. This was the culprit to it leaking water into my nice engine. So, replace that seal, a bunch of other new little seals and parts and things. So, yeah, we should be good. Excited. Alright, we got her back together, got oil in her, gotta put some coolant, bleed the system, and fire her up and see if she leaks. Yeah, might be able to ride again finally. Oh yeah, I forgot. I also put fog lights on it. Whoa! Super bright. They got green halos, the projectors. Super bright. Awesome. So there you have it. Old KLR is back. So yeah, just had to get out of that little funk I was in, you know. It happens to the best of us. I think my own worst critic is my own self sometimes, and a little bit too hard on myself, but these things are what keep me going. So it's not the only thing in life that keeps me going, but these do sure help a lot, if you know what I mean. So, thanks you guys for watching, tagging along on this little quick video on fixing the old girl up, well, guy. Oh yeah, I don't know if you guys know, but bike here, his name is Haku. That's the name I gave it, so. But thanks for watching. If you guys like this kind of content, as always, click the subscribe button. Check the links down below for my merch on Teespring, as well as a couple other things. I'll put some of the camera links and stuff like that in there. I think there's still 15% off on that dash cam for a couple more days for you guys. And yeah, thanks for watching. I'm Full Throttle Junkie, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Woo!